Okay, so we are going to do some needles for you with point we're going to use is yin tongue. Do the clean first. The needle is more like disposable, they're all single use, so no worries. So when I needle the point, you may have some sensation. So doing a little stimulation. Feel it? So let me know if you feel it's too strong or anything. Do you feel anything? Tight, heavy? This sensation, how you feel after inserting it. Oh, felt it?
Yeah,
I can see. Yeah. How is it? It's good. Not too strong. Got the sensation?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. Perfect.
Visit BodyMind Synergy, your place to get better.